Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do prompt engineering. So the first thing is you're going to have to use multiple tools. So as you see here, we're starting out with Google AI, and we're asking the question, what are the top 3 pain points for acupuncturists? Now we're transitioning over to Claude and asking the exact same thing. Because what we want to do is we want to see if there's any similarities. And the similarities are what we're going to note to come up with our solution for the top 3 pain points. Now let's ask ChatGPT the exact same question. And as you notice, you're starting to see a commonality. And the commonality you're starting to see is regarding patient retention, as well as insurance reimbursement. So we know that when we craft our solution, now moving on to Microsoft Copilot, you see the same exact situation where it is public awareness, which is a synonym of marketing, insurance reimbursement issues, and then finally we see regulatory and licensing complexities. So now let's move on to the website. So in the website, you'll see that we are a video education platform. So we help to come up with some of these solutions. So we're going to ask Claude, what solutions do they need? Number 1, they need evidence-based marketing. That's why on the website, you'll notice that we showcase provider studies and information. So our marketing is evidence-based. Next is, as it says here, collaborate with a healthcare network. So we are a virtual telehealth network specific to holistic medicine. And regarding insurance, our apothecary, where you buy into our apothecary, it serves as insurance. And then the first thing it mentions is practice management. So working with us, we have a CRM system. And with that CRM system, it helps to upgrade your systems as well as optimize your marketing. See here, we have showcase interviews. This will help with the pain point of the industry having misinformation or low public awareness. As you see here, we're creating videos and we're creating infographics to add public awareness for acupuncture. You also see that we publish case studies. What these case studies do is not only do they show public awareness, but they also verify to insurance companies that these treatments work. And by us creating this database of these case studies, we create long-term data that helps to determine pain points for not just acupuncturists, but also for stem cell. But notice how our solutions need to be verified with a multiplicity of AI tools, and our services are based upon pain points. As you see here for nutrition, because again, one of their pain points is related to market saturation. So what we help with is by implementing evidence-based marketing, we get to build an authority for the nutritionists that are on our platform. Another issue that they face is with patient management. We provide social active marketing, both in video format, as you see here, as well as just throughout social media and SEO for their website, to ensure that nutritionists can differentiate themselves as well as grow in the field. Again, we post studies from all types of modalities. As you see here, this is a naturopathic medicine study that we posted. And again, we ask Microsoft Copilot the same exact question, but now we're going to ask Microsoft Copilot, what are the 3 solutions that address the pain points, just to ensure that our strategies are verified and approved by these AI tools. So the first thing they say is improving insurance and reimbursement processes. Next, it's enhanced public awareness and education. And finally, it's streamlining the process. We're going to ask ChatGPT the exact same question. And again, the first thing it's saying is patient education and retention programs. So with our platform, it is a video education platform, and we have a CRM that helps with patient retention and patient management. And finally is you want to build trust and overcome skepticism with transparent marketing. We're going to ask Claude the exact same question. Again, video education platform, holistic medicine marketing agency. These are the two benefits, according to Claude, that can help with overcoming the pain points for acupuncturists. And then finally, a telehealth directory for holistic medicine. Some of the benefits is that you can target patient acquisition. You also have the professional publishing, as well as insurance-friendly messaging. Benefits of the telehealth directory are that you can expand patient reach, as well as you can integrate within professional networks. For us, we wanted to address the pain points that you currently face. Next is, what are the benefits of having a database of case studies? According to Claude, this helps most with the insurance reimbursement benefit because you have evidence-based claim support. Now, insurance can take you more seriously because there is a long-term data. Next question we asked Claude is regarding to a CRM. And according to Claude, its major benefits are regarding patient acquisition and retention. You can help with lead nurturing. You also have referral tracking and management. And finally, it can just optimize the patient journey, which is great for retaining patients. One big thing that we noticed with acupuncturists as well is the fact that a lot of acupuncturists just want to focus on doing the work. They don't want to focus on managing the business. So what a CRM system and a marketing concierge system could do is that it can handle the overhead and the pain points regarding the business that acupuncturists deal with. According to Claude, another benefit of a video education platform is professional credibility. Finally, the value that it brings is regarding building a community. Now we're going to ask Microsoft Copilot about the benefits of a CRM system. According to Microsoft Copilot, CRMs are a game changer because they enhance the patient relationships, they make the billing management process more streamlined, they also improve marketing, and they help to get better data. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to ask Microsoft Copilot about our project and what the benefits are and how it can help. So a holistic medicine video education platform that is a telehealth directory with a marketing agency and a customized CRM specific to them at our price point of $2,000 a year. And this is what Microsoft Copilot had to say. So how it addresses the pain point is it helps with public awareness and education. It improves patient acquisition and retention. It streamlines operations. It enhances research and transparency. And finally, it expands accessibility and collaboration. Regarding pricing, they don't know if we are the cheapest online, but they do state that we are a great value given that we address your pain points. Some of the biggest ones is that we expand accessibility and collaboration, as well as just enhance research in the industry, which is one of our number one goals, is how do we get more information out there? We're going to ask Claude the exact same question. And finally, we're going to ask Google AI the exact same question as well. Again, you want to use a multiplicity of tools in your prompt engineering. And Google AI is telling us that the best solutions are enhancing your online presence with digital marketing, utilizing practice management software like a CRM, and offering a comprehensive patient experience via a video education platform.